Hi, I'm Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA Ocean, and today I want to talk about a couple of really quick reality checks you can do to make sure you've got some sensible hull information and ship information in your ship motion analysis project in the ProteusDS ShipMo3D toolset. For this, we're going to use an example from the generic fishing vessel, so you can see the details of this ship in build ship here. But really, you can do these reality checks right off the bat. So oftentimes, you're working with the hull geometry of a vessel. You can see we've got an OBJ custom hull mesh here input into the program. So when you run that and you plot the hull that you've got, it looks reasonably good. If we look at ship parts view here, we can see the water line there, the wet mesh and the dry mesh. Okay, but what are some reality checks? It looks good, but what are some reality checks we can do? So go back to PanelHull and you go view output. You'll see some of the things that have been read from all of the geometry that you've got in there. So a couple of really key things like beam based on maximum Y value, 7.8. That tracks with the length between perpendiculars of 24.5 meters for this geometry, and the ratio we're expecting of 3 to 1. It's giving you displacement volume, so the total displacement 380 tons. That's everything together, the ship and everything that's getting you that water footprint, and then of course a few other things like metacentric height and things like that from the hydrostatic. So use these things to kind of verify, yeah, this makes sense. I haven't got some kind of issue with the units of the mesh size or something like that right at the very beginning when the first step is importing the hull into your project. So just want to highlight a couple things there and on reality checking the geometry that you're putting in. Thanks for watching.